What's going on, guys? Corey from Designs by IFR here. Welcome back to another video. Today we will be taking a look at the parts that are inside of our editing rig. This is going to be one of our up and coming builds, high-end specs. The flagship processor from Intel is going inside it, and we also have two GTX 1080s, which is really going to help with that CUDA performance when we are rendering and video editing. Now, the whole idea behind this is to try and create a rig that will fit simultaneously in our setup. We already have the white gaming PC that you guys saw in the Cougar Conqueror case earlier, a few weeks ago. Now this one's going to be a gold, black, silver and white theme. Again in the Cougar Conqueror case, but some more high-end specs and more aimed towards video editing and rendering. So guys, if you like videos like this, consider subscribing. It really helps us out. Like the video and leave a comment down below. So let's get into it. Are you wanting to take your video editing or heavy multi-threaded tasks to the next level? Well, look no further than the Intel flagship Core i9-7980XE processor. With 18 cores and 36 threads, your rendering times will look non-existent. For more information and a wide range of products, visit mwave.com.au or check the link in the description below. So starting things off, I want to bring you guys to the attention of the graphics cards. We have two MSI Seahawk GTX 1080s, which will be in SLI. Now, normally for a video editing rig, you would not consider GPUs a major part of the system. However, that is far from the truth. So basically, the idea behind having a good GPU in your system for a video editing rig is it utilizes CUDA cores. What this means is it'll utilize some of the GPU's processing power and actually help out the CPU in those video edits. Essentially, it'll take more stress off of the CPU and sort of share it a bit with the GPU as well. Now, this is a very productive workflow as it does speed up your rendering times and therefore you're able to get more content out a lot quicker. Do I need two GPUs? No, I don't, but it's just sitting there not doing anything, so I thought I'd chuck it in the system. I might actually install some games on it as well, so it'll certainly utilize the two down the track. Here we have the Team Group T-Force Extreme DDR4 memory. This is a quad channel memory kit, and we have 32 gigs to go in the system. This is running at 3,866 megahertz. We definitely wanted all of those speeds to help us out in all of our CAD work, all of our video rendering and editing, and different 3D design and everything like that. So the 32 gigs will come in handy, and especially at those higher megahertz as well. The speed playing a big role in some of our programs. As you can see here, it also has the black and gold accents, a nice brush finish on the front there, which will really look nice inside of the PC, especially with all the other gold and black accents that we will be including. Here we have the star of the show, the Intel Core i9-7980 Extreme processor. This is their flagship processor. At the moment, this has 18 cores, 36 threads. This is going to smash through all of those video editing and rendering processes and certainly help us out with our work speed. And we're just going to be rendering videos out much quicker than what we've been doing. So our workflow and work process is really going to increase. It's also going to help us get more content out. This is a beast of a CPU. Here we have our Seasonic Focus Plus Gold 850 watt power supply. Plenty of juice to power this system. And we're also going to be pairing that up with some cable mod custom sleeve cables. We've got some gold, silver and black accents throughout there. And it's also got some aluminium cable combs on there to keep them routed nice and clean. The power supply also has black, silver and gold accents, which really will stand out in this build and match the overall theme. Here we have the Msi X 299 Gaming M7 Ack Motherboard. This is one of MSI's top of the line motherboards. It's going to be supporting our CPU with no problems at all. We've got plenty of M.2 support. We've got those strengthened PCIe lanes, and this board is going to look really nice with those gold accents throughout, especially with the RAM put in place. And we might even put a bit of yellow lighting or something on it to match the gold, or even some white, because white does make everything look clean. Seagate has been kind enough to hook us up with plenty of hard drive space for this system. We actually have in total about 28 terabytes of hard drive space. Now, keep in mind guys, I do video editing and filming every single afternoon. Now, this does fill up space very fast, To give you guys an example, I did a video 17 minutes long. I render it at a high bitrate because YouTube compresses videos a lot. So I want the final product to look nice and crisp on YouTube. So by rendering it at a high bitrate, it's compressing it, but it's still at a really good quality because I did have that high bitrate. Now, what this does mean is that my YouTube video file sizes are very high. To give you an example, I rendered a 17-minute video the other day and it had a file size of 12 gigabytes. Now, if you can imagine all of my videos being 12 gigabytes, and then I've got all of the raw footage that I used when I filmed, the hard drive space fills up a lot. So I'm probably even going to be filling up this 28 terabytes, but it's good to know that I do have all of this storage here. And it also means that I have room to back up all of my precious footage as well, because I can't keep all my PCs together. So really all I have is my videos and my photos on the hard drives to remind us of what we had built in the past. Now, the FireCuda is the same size profile, a 2.5 inch disc as a SSD. However, it does have the storage space of a hard drive. This is a 2 terabyte Seagate FireCuda, and this is a 6 terabyte Seagate Barracuda hard drive. The good thing about these as well is they have really good read and write speeds, which means if I take my memory card from the camera after I've finished this recording, I'll put it in the PC and I want to transfer everything across, I'll be getting it across to the hard drive in less time, which means it's increasing my productivity and my workflow. Therefore, I'm able to also pump out more content for you guys more often. So the whole idea about this PC is to try and increase my workflow and speed up time so I'm able to create more content. We do have a Samsung 950 Pro M.2 SSD, 256 gigabytes, which will be holding our Windows on there and also our main editing software. Just a couple of programs. We don't want to clutter it too much because that will slow it down. It's more just for those boot times and loading times to get into all of our programs, and then once all of that's done, all of our videos and everything will be stored on the hard drives. Again, trying to think about workflow and make everything as fast as I can. So I absolutely love bitspower water cooling hardware, and I had to purchase myself some of their water cooling components, and particularly in gold. Now, these reservoirs are actually limited edition, so I had to get them, and the CPU block I could not pass on is a really nice gold, and they just look like premium products, and I really wanted a premium feel to this PC, especially next to the other white one that I did the other week, because that to me looked like a premium feel as well. Now, these are a really nice gold and will certainly complement all of those other gold accents, which all of the other components will offer within the system. Anyway guys, I hope you all enjoyed that component run through. Remember to visit our website, www.designsbyifr.com. A huge shout out to our sponsors for this build as well. mwave.com.au providing the CPU. We also have Seasonic providing the power supply. We also have Team Group providing the RAM, Cable Mod with the cables, and of course Seagate with all of that wonderful hard drive space. If you did enjoy this video, consider subscribing, leave a like and comment down below, guys. What are you most looking forward to in this up and coming build? Now remember, this build will be done also in the Cougar Conqueror case. I want some sort of symmetry happening with the current setup. The gaming PC on the left, the editing PC on the right, or vice versa. And consider checking out other videos. We've got plenty of other videos like this. Custom PCs, modding tutorials, liquid cooling tutorials, reviews, and much more, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you